Hey guys, Hambo Investments here. I'm going to go over my February account. This is a new series that I started last month for January, where I go over how the last month in my M1 Finance account is gone, any changes to my account, what dividends I've made, and any plans for the future. If you like M1 Finance, it's a no commission way to get involved in the stock market and to get fractional shares at your own pace. This is my account. This is what I'm doing. But if you are interested, I will leave a link down below. Just do your own research. Let's get into it. So in the past month, it's been a fairly good month. Not as good as last month, but the way the market was going before that, I will take it. So in the last 30 days, up $167. $20 of that is in dividends. So my dividend accounts are starting to go up. So $20 for the last month, I will take it. This is, account to try to get towards my retirement. So my goal is to try to hit $1,000 per month, but I have many years to try to do that. So I'm going in the right direction. And yeah, so let's get into kind of some of my changes. Let's go into what I did today. So I did drop one of the stocks out of my account today. And the one I dropped, I talked about it in that's for tomorrow. I am selling $51 out of Plug because it's been going up, and I'm going to use that money to go into dividend accounts. Plug is not a dividend. It's in my speculative account, and it has rebounded, and I'm just selling some of the profits there. So, well, since I'm in this one, I'll go backwards. I wanted to do this second, but so tomorrow on the buys that I got, this is basically what I got. To do fun. Some of these I put in myself, and then some of these are based off the sell and a rebuy. So I bought Fun, I bought BBY, I bought NCMI, and I bought Walmart. Are the buys that I bought myself, and the others are generated by M1 Finance based on the sell of Plug. So these are some of the other ones it's putting in. So yeah, not too bad. And let's go what I did for today. The sell I made was CRT. I made said that in my last video. CRT, it's just their dividends. They've been dropping for the last few months. It just hasn't been a very well performer. So I'm going to use that going towards other stocks in my portfolio. This is what the dividends that added today. Ford was a pretty nice one, $2 added, and everything else was just general. And let's go over some of my holdings. The one that I just added that I took for CRT that I deleted was this Kimberly-Clark. Kimberly-Clark is a stable, I think it's in the aristocrats, so it's a very stable dividend-paying company. So basically I traded a non-performing monthly, crap dividend stock for a nice quality dividend stock. So if you guys have any questions on the account, I did start a IRA, and it's funded, but it's not active. I think it'll start being active tomorrow. And I did make one video of setting it up on how I'm doing. So basically I just set it up into monthly, quarterly, and ultra aggressive, which is the M1 Finance. So that's what I did. So I will make more individual videos on that. If you guys are interested in doing a Roth IRA, it's a good way to diversify. And the same with M1 Finance. This is the other account. This one is my personal account, but I'm using both for retirement, and it's just a good way to diversify. So if you guys are interested in different types of investment videos, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, because I don't only do M1 Finance. I do real estate videos, I do some personal loan videos, and just pretty much any kinds of investments to make money. And yeah, so take care out there. Happy investing, and bye.